Gia Gunn Entertainment. No pain. It's taking my hair away. You guys, this is literally like magic. Nifty little machine, honestly. I know a couple of people that could really use this. So cool. Thank you so much, KetchBeauty, for sending me this. This is definitely a great investment. Whether you are a man, woman, trans woman, non-binary, whatever you may be, baby, if you're sick of that hair, this is a really good first step before you go ahead and maybe make an appointment at a clinic. Just because I feel like this could save you a lot of money and also a lot of time. If you follow me on Instagram in particular, you know that I go regularly for laser hair removal. I think I'm probably on my 192nd session. As a trans woman, having body hair can create all different sorts of traumas and dysphorias for certain trans women. I used to have a full beard. I also used to, yes, have hair on my legs and also hair down there, if you know what I mean. But now that is all completely gone, and I love my laser hair removal. I stand by it, but it can be quite expensive for some and also very, very, very painful, let me tell you. So this is perfect for anyone who obviously wants to reduce their hair growth, suppress their hair growth, or eventually permanently stop the hair from growing. I know a couple of people that could really use this. No pain. Boom. I literally am seeing some of my like lanula hairs or baby hair, or I don't know what the proper term is. I do see them literally vanishing. I don't know if you guys can see it, but let's see. Can you guys see that? Like there's literally, it's taking my hair away. You guys, this is literally like magic. Nifty little machine, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off now. Whoa, you guys, literally, like, call me crazy, but I feel so smooth. So after you do hair removal, depending on how your skin reacts, you can put like a cortisone cream or like a ointment of some sort just to kind of replenish the moisture. I'm gonna put on just like a little light moisturizing cream just to kind of soothe it. Depending on also where you use the hair removal device, you know, you may want to put ice on it afterwards. I know, you know, usually when I do it on my face, that's usually when I go to a clinic, and it's also very painful, and I usually leave very red with bumps. But I have a feeling with this device, you won't have those types of reactions or those types of risky things happen to your skin because it is a lower level. And this is, you know, for at-home use. So cool. Thank you so much, KetchBeauty, for sending me this. This is definitely a great investment. Whether you are a man, woman, trans woman, non-binary, whatever you may be, baby, if you're sick of that hair, this is a really good first step before you go ahead and maybe make an appointment at a clinic. Just because I feel like this could save you a lot of money and also a lot of time. Also, depending on how hairy you actually are, like a lot of women I know are actually not really that hairy. They just kind of have like those lanula hairs or like those baby hairs, and they just kind of want to maintain. Or maybe you're a gal like me who has laser hair removal all over, but you just want to maintain. So sometimes on my like legs, I'll see like little hairs pop up here and there, and I see this IPL light really helping with that. and helping maintain. And so maybe I won't even have to go in and get laser as much. That would be amazing because laser does really hurt. I think that's pretty much all the information that I have for you guys around the IPL light from KetchBeauty. If you guys are interested in seeking one out for yourself or just want to read up more information, I did link them below in the description, so be sure to go ahead and check them out. But that's all that I have for you guys today. So stay healthy, stay absolutely sickening, and stay smooth, especially this summer. Mwah! Bye! Bitch. Give me some tonight, baby. How you doing?